Hey friend, I usually don't do hauls, but I wanted to share 10 items that I buy during the spring and summertime that are only sold seasonally, but I use them to DIY and craft with year round. I really like doing DIYs that everyone can DIY along with. And I know in the past I've done stuff and people are like, all right, my Dollar Tree's not selling this, so I hope this solves the problem. I'm gonna make this as quick and short, to the point as possible, so let's just go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy it. Number 10 is going to be this sidewalk chalk. Sounds simple, but honestly, you can do a lot of DIYs with this. For $1, you get a lot. I say pick it up. Number 10 on my list being an awesome to have, not technically my must have, but hey, pick that up. Number 9 is going to be this spring banner. So I took it apart. You don't need the ribbon. I have a DIY in mind for this. I found this in the party section. I also saw it at another Dollar Tree in the spring section. This will be going away soon. So if you want to DIY along with me, go ahead and pick this up. Number 8 is going to be garden chains. I picked up 3 of these. I have a few DIYs in mind. Nothing to do with spring or summer. You can use these year round. I definitely think these are worth keeping in your craft stash, so pick these up if you have a chance. Number 7 is gonna be these buffalo check signs. I picked up 3. I love the way these look. I have a few DIYs in mind already for fall and for Christmas, but if you can't find the buffalo check in your Dollar Tree, they make other ones like I do not care, whatever. They make all kinds. Just pick these cute little shadow box signs up. They're definitely worth it. Number 6, you might think is crazy, you might think I'm crazy, but I swear these bamboo skewers, I don't know if I'm saying that right. These are like 32 inches long and they're wood. If you've ever been to a craft supply store, you know that like wooden dowels are kind of expensive. So 32 inches for 12 of those, I think is a great deal. I can use those year round, definitely pick those up. Number 5 is gonna be these letters. I don't know if these are seasonal or not. Dollar Tree switches out stuff like this, so who knows how long they're gonna be around. But I picked up 3 of these. If you don't have a circuit machine or a silhouette machine like me, these are really great to have and they can be used as stencils. I took a few of them off and put them on wax paper so I can just keep one sheet just as stencils. Number 4 is kind of a no-brainer. It's these pots. I'm sure you already know this. I don't have to tell you twice. I pick up these in any size I can find them. I also have a DIY coming up with these soon. I think they should just sell them year round without the flowers and garden thing on there. Definitely pick these up. Number 3 is going to be Dollar Tree pool noodles. Now I already have some DIYs in mind for pool noodles way past summertime, but you know what? Someone in the comments told me you can also use pool noodles like floral foam, which I thought was like an amazing idea. So there's another tip for you. I picked up 3 or 4. You can also get them at Dollar General or Walmart for like 94, 97 cents. So either way, just pick those up. Number 2 is going to be these signs that are not wood look. I don't know. They are wood look. They're like different shapes. These are awesome to use for a bunch of different DIYs. So I just did a kitchen DIY. I've done other signs during Christmas. They sell shapes like this too. I picked up 3. I already have a DIY in mind. So you definitely want to pick up some shape signs if you want to DIY along. And number 1 on my list has got to be hula hoops. I used hula hoops to make all kinds of wreaths. I made a Christmas wreath, a fall wreath. Most recently, my wreath I showed in my home tour and on my DIY. You can find these at your store at the upfront. Sometimes they're in the toy section. Either way, I think it's definitely worth it to pick up 2 or 3 of these. All right, that is it. That's all I have for my haul. Although I do have a bonus for you. I want to show you something super cool, nothing DIY related, that I picked up from Dollar Tree. How cool is this beverage dispenser? I was totally stoked this actually works. But I thought it'd be cool for the kids to make tea and use. Anyways, that's it. I just thought this was too cute not to share. Hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any other DIY supplies that are only sold seasonal that we should be picking up right now. All right, catch you next time.